There we head straight to the courtroom. The suspected ritualist Obi Levi Obieze and 2 other suspects have been arraigned at the Magistrate Court in Enugu for alleged conspiracy, murder and kidnapping. Recall that the suspect was apprehended through the collaborative efforts of the police and security agencies while fleeing through Badagry, Seme border area. Our correspondent Chidimma Madu now reports.
The prime suspect in a widespread story on suspected ritual killings, Mr. Obi Levi Obieze, a.k.a. they play the show, alleged to have kidnapped a 13-year-old girl named Okamaka Okoye at Umojo Road, Isiagu Village, Umombandiago community in a Zagu local government area of Enugu State, alongside 2 other suspects, Sebastian Emeka Ofo and AGK Odewamba, have been arraigned on a 7-count charge bordering on conspiracy, murder, and kidnapping. 2 other victims were Joy Miracle Dokama, 31 years, and Chimobi Eze, 15 years. During the court proceeding presided over by His Worship Osondu Chukwani, the defendants pleaded not guilty to the alleged crimes. The magistrate ordered that the suspects be remanded, recommending that their case be taken to a higher court, since the magistrate courts do not have the jurisdiction to try such capital offences. Counsel to one of the accused has this to say.
Whenever a suspect is being arrested for an offence, he has a duty, has a mandate to ensure that he is properly and timely prosecuted on time. So we are worried that they have been detained for more than 2 months after arrest and detention. And we now raise an alarm that because they have detained for more than 2 months, that the police are under obligation, are under a mandate by order of mandamus that they ought to prosecute or release the suspects if they could not find any charge against them. We are happy that today the police in their wisdom had finally charged them to court for an offence that borders on kidnapping and murder, among others. But you should be aware that the nature of the offence being charged, being levied against them, is a capital offence. The Magistrate Court had made it very clear that he does not have the jurisdiction to grant them bail. That all those who have levied that complaint against the suspects are being mandated and are being ordered to be ready to go to the High Court and prove the case that they have made against the suspects. By August, it is now left for the prosecutor and the witnesses to prove and show that there are compelling evidence linking them to the offence being charged. So we wait for them in the High Court to show that evidence before the court.
Also, the Special Assistant to the Governor on Media, Barrister Joshua Eje, said Governor Mbah's administration is keen on bringing criminality to an end in the state.
Given the gravity of the alleged offences, kidnapping, murder, and conspiracy. Of course, the Magistrate Court does not have the jurisdiction to hear a matter bordering on kidnapping. So what the magistrate merely did was to bind over the case to the High Court, and the magistrate is also seeking the legal opinion of the Attorney General of Enugu State. So one thing is sure, is that the administration of Governor Peter Mbah has zero tolerance for crime, any form of criminality. Justice will take its course. The administration has built confidence, public confidence, that no crime will go unpunished. So the proceedings continue on the adjourned dates, and we also hope that all of us will be here to monitor it.
The case has been adjourned to the 20th of August 2025 in Enugu. Chidimma Madu for Afia TV.
Thank you, Chidimma Madu. Fantastic court reporting there.